New from EpiGentek comes a revolutionary research product, the BisulPlus Loci 5mC and 5hMC Detection PCR Kit. This robust kit allows for easy detection and differentiation of 5mC and 5hMC quickly, affordably, and reliably using PCR. Current solutions on the market tend to run highly expensive or run the risk of false positives like hMeDIP, tab conversion, or oxidative bisulfite conversion. Using our groundbreaking double conversion method, the BisulPlus Kit first converts unmethylated cytosine to uracil using bisulfite conversion. Then, using a cytosine deaminase process, the sample is converted once again. Any remaining unconverted cytosines can be identified as being specifically hydroxymethylated. Best of all, this kit's protocol takes just 5 hours to finish, allowing you to complete more research in less time. Costing less than other comparable methods, the BisulPlus Kit is one of the best values for distinguishing 5mC from 5hMC on a gene-specific level. Learn more about the BisulPlus Loci 5mC and 5hMC Detection PCR Kit by visiting epigentek.com/BisulPlus.